Hi, today I want to show you how to manage multilingual pages with automatic translations using plugins in Flotiq. Let's jump to the plugin sections. Here you have to turn on Multilingual and DeepL translation plugin. In configuration of Multilingual plugin, choose content type and available languages, which you want to have as a separate tabs. In DeepL translation plugin, put DeepL API key from your DeepL account, choose content type and also languages which you want to automatically translate. Let's see how this works in real example. We have here sample page with live preview on. Whenever I change anything here, it's going to be visible on the right side. And as you see, we have two tabs, English and Polish, added by Multilingual plugin, but both of them are in English. So let's see how to quickly translate. You just hit this translation button. And as you see in a second, there is Polish translation available and it's already visible on the live preview as well. So this is so simple. Thank you and see you in the next plugin video. Bye.